Live Lingua episode 216. Bring it together. Weather in a specific location. Using what you learned in the previous exercises in this unit, try to translate the following English phrases into Spanish about the weather in a certain location. The first time through, I'll only say the English version, so you can have a chance to answer for yourself. The second time through, we'll say it in English and Spanish just to make sure you got it right. If you have any trouble, repeat the previous episodes as necessary. Let's get started. Empecemos. It is very hot in Cancun. Yes, I like Mexico. No, I don't like Chicago. It's very cold. We like Costa Rica. It is not hot. It is a little hot in Guatemala. We like Puerto Rico. It is not very hot. Now let's do it again with the answers included. It is very hot in Cancun.
Hace calor en Cancún.
Yes, I like Mexico.
Sí me gusta México.
No, I don't like Chicago. It's very cold.
No me gusta Chicago. Hace mucho frío.
We like Costa Rica. It is not hot.
Nos gusta Costa Rica. No hace calor.
It is a little hot in Guatemala.
Hace poco calor en Guatemala.
We like Puerto Rico. It is not very hot.
Nos gusta Puerto Rico. No hace mucho calor.
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.